Welcome to Skara. Want a clearer picture of how your AI is performing and, more importantly, how you can improve it? In this video, we'll walk you through Skara's AI dashboards and show you how to turn data into meaningful action. Skara gives you two powerful dashboards designed for different levels of insight. The Overview dashboard for a quick performance snapshot and the Performance dashboard for deeper, trend-based analysis. Before we dive in, here's something worth noting. You can filter all your data by inbox, AI pilot, channels, or even a custom date range. So you're always looking at insights that matter most to you. Let's start with the Overview dashboard, your go-to place for an immediate, high-level view of AI performance. The AI conversation rate shows how many conversations your AI actively participated in and gave at least one response. The AI involvement rate shows whether the AI played a meaningful role in handling a conversation, reflected through sustained turns, multiple responses, or managing the interaction through resolution or handoff. The resolution rate highlights how effectively your AI is resolving customer queries without needing human assistance. And the deflection rate shows how many conversations were handled entirely by AI, reducing the workload on your support teams. You'll also see key insights like abandon rate, escalations to human agents, along with CSAT and CX scores, including trends and distribution over time. Together, these reports help you evaluate AI effectiveness, identify improvement opportunities, optimize resolution and deflection rates, and ensure consistently strong customer experience across channels. Dashboard reports like conversations created versus resolved and channel volume help you balance workload, improve resolution rates, and monitor performance across chat, social media, and email. And here's where it gets really useful. Every report is fully interactive. Simply click on any metric to instantly view the actual conversations behind the data. Next up is the Performance dashboard, where you move from snapshot insights to performance trends. Here, you can track AI involvement rate over time to see how engagement is evolving. The resolution rate helps you understand how efficiently your AI is delivering outcomes without human interactions, while the abandon rate shows the percentage of customers who leave the chat before receiving a response. The CX score evaluates the quality of AI-handled conversations by analyzing concrete signals such as customer responses, escalations to human agents, and final conversation outcomes, providing a reliable indicator of how well the AI meets customer expectations. With performance over time, you can track weekly trends for key metrics, including engagement, resolution, CX score, and abandonment over a specific time frame. The conversation funnel visually maps how users move through each stage, like chat, engaged or not engaged with AI, resolved, and ratings. It will help you quickly identify where optimization is needed. You can also compare performance across channels, so you know exactly where your AI is performing best. And just like the Overview dashboard, every report here is clickable, letting you explore real conversations whenever you need more context. With Skara's dashboards, you're not just monitoring performance, you're uncovering insights that help you continuously improve. Use these insights to boost engagement, increase resolution rates, and deliver stronger customer experiences.